Hello, my name is Joseph and I have more than 11 years of SAP Basis experience, which includes almost 2 years of Fiori administration. What is SAP Fiori and what does its administration part includes? SAP Fiori is a platform that provides supporting of applications on mobile devices. SAP Fiori is based on SAP's technology platform called SAP NetWeaver. It's a new user experience for SAP software. It applies modern design principles for a completely reimagined user experience. SAP Fiori user experience represents a personalized, responsive, and a simple user experience across devices and deployment options. As said, it's a new user experience for SAP software. Well, who installs this software? Yes, it's Basis administrators. Benefits of this course is you will be able to know the process of how to install Gateway, its pre-steps, installation procedure, post-steps, and configuration of Fiori. Who can take this course? Well, any SAP Basis admin or a Fiori admin or a Fiori architect can attend this course. After the course, you will be able to install SAP NetWeaver Gateway for Fiori and apply a couple of SAP ESS/MSS add-ons and customizing catalogs and groups, clearing the cache from gateway server side, and applying Fiori theme according to corporate branding. So why waiting? Let's enroll this course and let's start the installation process from the scratch. Thank you very much.